Oh my gosh. Dude. Wow. Oh my gosh, dude, this is unreal. Wow. Oh man. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh.
I like it when you can feel the pump in your chest.
Yes, dude. I felt that. Dude, we are right on top of it, man.
Don't be surprised if something comes down on it.
Oh, dude. Whoa. I didn't even see that one coming, dude. Whoa. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Timing it up with this guy perfectly. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Dude, some of these are coming out of nowhere. Oh, whoa. Oh. Oh, dude. Oh. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it looked like a spaceship. Dude. Oh my gosh. Dude. Dude, there's so much going on right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Every other city fireworks show, take notes. I hope you're taking notes. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh. Dude. Oh my gosh. Whoa. You like don't even know where to look. Wow. Oh my god. Dude. Oh, I love those. I love those. Dude. Oh. Man. Nuh-uh. Dude. Oh. Oh, I love those too. Dude. How do they get him to do that? Is what I want to know. Oh, wow. Wow.
Feels like I'm at WrestleMania again.
Oh, dude, that had circle. Whoa! Whoa! Dude.
Triple time now.
Ah. Oh, man. You gotta be kidding me. Dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude. Oh man.
It just never stops.
Dude. Whoa. Oh, sparkly. I like when they start off as one color and then change. Whoa.
That goes out.
Flickery. Oh. Oh, whoa, dude. Oh. Woo. Oh, man. Looks like it's coming right at you, dude. Dude. Oh! Ooh. Ah. Oh my gosh, dude. Wow. Oh man, I love fireworks. That one looks like, oh yes. Oh yes.
Oh.
Do you see that? Whoa.
There's so many stages to this.
Dude. That was a halfie. Can you see okay? I'm not blocking you, am I? Alright. Dude. What's that one doing? What's going on? No way, that's not it. Dude. Here we go. Oh my gosh. They're like, no, we're just getting started. Oh. Ooh. Ah. Dude. Dude. Man. Man.
That's interesting to see is how close the drones fly out to.
Yeah.
The drones flying pretty close. Sits out to the side.
Whoa, there's the cannon. There's a cannon. Whoa!
Yeah, buddy.
What?
Fire away.
What are they about to do? Whoa! Ah!
On fire.
You roast a marshmallow over that heat. Oh! What? What is this, man? What is this? Whoa! Ah! Are you kidding me? Arthur, Illinois, what are you doing? Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Oh my gosh! You don't know where to look. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Forgot my Eclipse glasses at home, but I should have brought them.
Are you supposed to wear glasses during that?
Come on, what you got? Oh, dude. Dude. What? Ah! Oh my gosh! Ah! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap, dude! Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Dude.
I signed a waiver for that.
Well, I had a beard before I came.
Where'd my hair be?
Wait, what?
Part of the article, the horse with the flag.
Right in front of
Oh, dude. Oh, dude, there's a horse. Horse with a flag, baby. America! America! Dude, this is awesome. Wow.
The horse is like, I got an itch.
Dude. Dude.
Just wait.
Oh, he said, just wait. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do we got coming up now? Huh? It's not over?
Not quite.
Not quite.
This is just a little thing you didn't know.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh boy. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh. Oh my gosh. Dude. Hashtag incredible.
Hashtag amazing.
Hashtag America.
This is awesome.
Dude. Whoa. Oh my gosh, dude.
Just look at how much smoke that's put off. That's beautiful from like space.
Oh my gosh, dude. That's so crazy. Dude. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, dude. Dude. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, dude. Whoa. Dude. Hashtag nobody got shit on Arthur, dude. Oh! Are you kidding me? Dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Hashtag good song choice.
Oh man. Dude, I love how it's synchronized with the music.
They just have this the whole town is smoky. It's crazy. Look at it fall.
Dude, most lit fireworks show ever. Hashtag whoever got arrested really missed out. Dude. Oh! Dude. Oh my god. Oh. They just keep coming. Oh. Dude. Dude. This is incredible.
It just doesn't stop.
Dude. Hashtag other towns take notes. Dude. Oh! That one came out of nowhere, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Dude. Yes. Oh. Dude. Dude. Oh. God bless the USA. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Dude, that's right. Red, white, and blue.
Hashtag best country ever.
Dude. Oh! Hey. Hey. Hey, dude. Hey. Hey. Whoa. This is why my property taxes were outrageous in Illinois. Yes. Worth every penny. Oh, dude. Dude. Man. gosh. No one. I'd never even seen a fireworks show before this. This is my first one. No. Oh. Dude. This is such a good idea, man. Keep going forever, please. Oh.
The budget for this fireworks show is,
dude. I mean, I would hate to even guess. It's crazy. I mean, oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, what? Oh, dude. Dude, it ain't over. It ain't over yet. Dude. 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 This is what America's all about. Oh. Dude. Holy crap. Are you seeing this, bro? What in the world? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! What? Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude. Dude. Oh, yes! 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 Dude. Are you kidding me? Dude. Hell yeah, brother. Ain't no show like an Arthur show, 'cause an Arthur show don't stop. Come on.